Not sure how to use your Midea AC Remote? Model number RM05BA. In this video, we'll explain what each button does. Welcome to Flicky Facts. The on-off button powers your Midea AC. Press it once to turn on the AC using the last saved mode and temperature. Press it again to turn it off, stopping all functions immediately. Fan speed lets you control how strong the air blows. Press it to cycle through low, medium, high, or auto fan levels. Whether you want a soft breeze or powerful cooling, it's just one click away. Press the mode button to cycle through different modes depending on your need. Cool mode, dry mode, fan mode, heat mode, auto mode. Cool mode cools the room to your desired temperature. Perfect for hot days when you need quick relief. Dry mode reduces humidity without overcooling. Great during monsoon or sticky weather. Fan mode blows air without cooling. Ideal for ventilation or mild days. Heat mode. It warms up the room by blowing hot air, perfect for chilly winter days. Auto mode. The AC automatically selects the best mode, cooling, fan, or heating, based on room temperature. The up and down buttons let you control how cool or warm your room feels. Press up arrow to raise the temperature, or down arrow to lower it, 1 degree at a time. The display button controls the indoor unit's screen light. Pressing it will turn the temperature and mode display on or off. The air direction button lets you control where the airflow is directed in the cabin, such as toward the face, feet, or windshield for personalized comfort. Press the silent button to reduce the noise level of your AC. It slows down the fan and compressor, making the AC run extra silently, perfect for bedtime or a peaceful environment. Want cool air in every corner? Hit the swing button. It moves the air vents up and down, spreading airflow evenly across the room for all-around comfort. To set the timer for the unit, press the timer on button to start the on-time sequence. Use the temperature up or down buttons to adjust the desired time for the unit to turn on. Point the remote at the unit and wait 1 second for the timer on function to activate. For example, if it is currently 3 p.m. and you want the air conditioner to turn on at 5 p.m., set the timer for 2 hours. To set the timer for the unit, press the timer off button to start the off time sequence. Use the temperature up or down buttons to adjust the desired time for the unit to turn off. Point the remote at the unit and wait 1 second for the timer off function to activate. For example, if it's 10 p.m. and you want the AC to turn off at 12 a.m., you can simply set the timer for 2 hours, and it will automatically stop at midnight. Press the electric heating button quickly to activate the electric heating mode. This adds extra warmth by using the built-in heating element, especially useful in very cold conditions. Pressing the Eco button activates energy-saving mode, where your AC balances cooling and power use. It adjusts fan speed and temperature settings automatically. Press the Set button gently using a pin or paperclip to access and configure system settings. This allows you to adjust preferences, and pressing it again with the pin or paperclip exits the setting mode. Press the Lock button gently using a pin or paperclip to activate the Control Lock feature. This prevents accidental button presses, and pressing it again with the pin or paperclip will unlock the remote. Press the Check button gently using a pin or paperclip to run a system check. This allows you to verify the device's status, and pressing it again with the pin or paperclip exits the check mode. Press and hold the temperature down arrow button and the mode button together for about 3 to 5 seconds. The temperature display will switch between degrees Celsius and degrees Fahrenheit. Now you know what every button on your Midea AC Remote does. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.